Whoa! Today is the day that Hocus Jesus Pool Noodle Hocus Pocus 2 comes out. My dog won't shut up. He's upstairs in his cage because he peed on the carpet, and Mom did not like that at all. What? Ah! Okay. We're gonna go. Molly. Yep. Oh. We'll be back. Don't worry.
She's sad.
Yeah, because we're gonna be back later. Come on, let's go.
I could stay here.
You don't want to say bye to the camera?
Bye.
All right, let's go.
Wait, hold up. Peace. Wait.
Body weight. Ready? I've been out of practice with vlogging, guys, but as you can see, I'm making a couple of videos. Sheesh. Right now, though, I've been evicted from my downstairs office, which I'll probably show you later on, and that will now be permanently, it will be my wife's permanent office. So I am setting up shop inside our spare guest room. And I'm whispering right now because it is, oh geez, it's actually 8 in the morning. But I've been up since 5. Cleaning up in here so that way when everybody wakes up, I can just clean up downstairs and bring what's left up here and figure that out. But yeah, I've been figuring out this space and taking all the excess stuff into the attic up there. Yeah, it's coming along. And I wish there was a little bit more context to everything that we did over the weekend, which truly wasn't much, but you know, just a lot of fun times, I guess. Yeah, let me get back to cleaning this up though. I know, what's going on? So sporadic. Everything is all over the place right now. We are going to make an apple pie.
No, esa es otra pieza. Hay una que lava también.
She's gonna jump in the shower. I'm gonna make an apple pie. Sandy and Angelica should be coming over shortly with their kids. They're gonna hang out, and my buddy Adrian is coming over with his daddy-o because his dad, unfortunately, will not be making it to his wedding in Mexico in a few weeks that I will be shooting. So we are gonna film a quick little speech to be presented at said wedding in his absence. So that's gonna be very cute. Let's make a pie, guys. It's from my cooking channel, babe, don't laugh.
Esa es la que compró.
Is your character Asian?
Yes.
Is your character Mongolian?
Yes.
I guess that you are thinking of Genghis Khan.
What? Do it again. No way. Hold up. No, that was crazy, dude. So inconsistent, it's unimaginable, but at least we're doing stuff. Guys, come on, everybody downstairs. I didn't even get to get any B-roll of the pie because Catherine ate a piece of the pie and then lied to me about eating a piece of the pie.
I know what you're talking about.
Straight looked at me in my face and lied. Look at this pie.
I love pie.
God damn it. Well, Mom lied about the pie.
1, 2, 3.
Look how creepy my house looks, guys. Woo! Look at this freaking dude. Ooh. Okay.
The food.
Babe, look how much you think I grabbed that much hot sauce from the restaurant, babe?
How much did you pay?
Like $8
No, you didn't.
for a 50 pack.
Wow.
No, you didn't.
And now you have a bunch of hot sauce.
No, you didn't.
Now you have 50 hot sauces.
You paid for hot sauce?
You wanted hot sauce!
Prank gone wrong.
Where's the drone? I'm gonna hit her again. Babe! Hurry up!
This is Halloween. This is Halloween.
You're unbelievable, you know that?